How to link Amazon to your bank account seamlessly. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can link your Amazon to your bank account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, linking a bank to your Amazon is a simple process. So locate your Amazon app and then open it up. After you open up your Amazon app, what you'll need to do is you will need to sign in into your account if you're not. And after you sign in, you will need to go to your account. So tap on your profile icon that you'll find at the bottom. And you should be prompted to this page. After you're here, you will need to go to your account. So if you don't know where you can go to your account, scroll down, you'll find your account option. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you should be on this section right here. After you're here, you will need to search for your payments. You'll find it under account settings. Tap on your payments. And after you're there, you should find your Amazon wallet. Now head over to the wallet tab. If you're not there, tap on wallet. And after you do that, you will need to select your payment section. So right here, you can add a payment. To do that, you will see the cards and accounts. You'll find the add option. Tap on add. And after you tap on add, it'll prompt you to this pop-up where you can add a credit or a debit card. So you might find a personal checking account, or this option will vary from location to location, and it is not always available as a primary payment method. So if you find your personal checking account, you can tap on that, and then you can add your required bank details, your routing number and your account number. If not, just tap on add a credit or debit card, and from here you can use your credit card or debit card from your very same bank account. And yeah, that's basically how you link your Amazon to your bank account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.